Hi my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your symbology. For instance, you have an education facility or a health center. I want to make it like, for instance, a health center in a customized image which I've downloaded from the internet to make it suitable for my ArcGIS Pro. So this is the way of doing it. So you have select your health facility, then by double clicking, that means you go direct to the symbology, or if you can't, doesn't show, you just go here back at the bottom, symbology for health facility. Then what you're required to do is you just go to properties. So on properties, there's a different formats because you are creating something which is from your computer, from the internet, like a picture. That means you have to select picture maker. So by selecting picture maker, you need to insert picture from, that means browse from a file. So because I know where it is, I'll just select here health center. Then by double clicking, then okay, that means it will appear here. So it appears, so you can give it a size which you think that it will appear well in your map. So I'll give it, like, for instance, 5. Then pressing apply, that means you'll see the symbology here. See, and you just try to zoom in. You see, you have the positive sign. So you can always increase, for instance, if they're not very suitable for you. And click apply, and they become bigger in size according to what your specs are. So you can rotate, you can do a position which you want, you can offset it, you can do an output where you can just overprint. So this is the way of having a customized symbology maker using ArcGIS Pro. So make sure you subscribe for more videos because I'll be dropping a lot of beautiful videos using ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe.